So it's cooking, good looking.
What's cooking, baby?
Welcome to 12 Days of Cocktails and Core. I have my friend Miss Ellie Well, and my name is Portia Simone. Our first recipe is going to be an apple cider sangria. So we have apple cider, Pinot Grigio. We also have apples, oranges. We're going to garnish with some orange peels and pomegranate and sprinkle with a little bit of cinnamon. Sounds good, right?
I'm into it.
We'll be blending two of our favorite things to do, fitness and recipes. So we're going to go ahead and pour our apple cider vinegar into our shaker. Oh, this is an apple cider vinegar.
Tell them again.
Right. I'm going to do about 4 shots of the apple cider. We're going to also follow that with 4 shots of our Pinot Grigio. You like that?
Thank you. Pete, why did you choose this drink today for our takeoff?
Well, apple cider is actually one of the most popular drinks of the season.
Really?
Yes.
We like that. Okay, I'm here
So
for
we're going
it.
to add some ice to this mix.
I got you.
Perfect.
Okay.
Are you ready to shake this up, girl?
Girl, yes.
Let's do it.
Oh my god!
Just give this a little shake. The magic begins.
Good.
Let's pop this baby open. I can't fucking open it. I'm like, come on, help me out here.
Really? Okay, let's get it together. Get it together.
All right, so we're gonna garnish our glasses before we actually pour.
Let's do it.
Let's make it pretty.
Yes.
Ellie's gonna add the ice, and I am going to add the garnishes.
Let's go.
We're gonna add some cute little apple slices in there.
Yeah.
Cute. Some oranges, because you can't have sangria without fruit. We're gonna add some orange peels to make it cute and citrusy. Some pomegranate.
Okay, gotta get them antioxidants in there. That's for you.
That's for you. Vitamin C. Come
So
do
cute,
sangria.
too.
Wow, how pretty is this?
So pretty.
Can you guys see that?
That was easy.
Super easy.
Okay, we got it.
Alright, let's go ahead and pour that in. Yes.
Go ahead, Portia.
I just felt the full holiday come into spirit. I want more pomegranates.
Good call. Can I have more?
Yep.
Thank you. Oh yeah, that's it. That's
Do
all
you
we
want
need.
to top with some cinnamon?
Oh, good idea. Oh, yes, there it is.
There it is. Are you ready to taste this, babe?
Yeah.
Let's get to it. So we have our apple cider sangria. First taste.
Cheers, baby.
Cheers, babe. Oh my god, that's so good, right?
Okay, that cinnamon.
The apple.
Cinnamon is real for me.
Yeah.
I love that drink, Pete.
Oh my god, it's so
So
refreshing,
good.
right?
You're gonna love.
Now that we've earned our drink, we're gonna go ahead and get into some core work
You ready?
with Miss Ellie.
We also just wanted to invite the idea of having fun and still not falling off of our fitness track. So I wanted you guys to open up your upper back with a Gomukhasana stretch. You can just pick one arm, take it on top. We're gonna lift and lower the elbows. You can round the upper back, get in between the shoulder blades, and then lift, inhale here. We'll do it again. Exhale, round and reach into yourself here. One more time, inhale, lift. Pull the forearms away from you. Last time, sink back, stretch through those shoulder blades. And we'll return to center. Okay, go ahead, we'll go to this side first. So we're gonna just get a little spinal twist in. I want you to rise up through the skull, lifting out of your seat. And we're just wrapping that spine around. Inhale here. Exhale, keep the twist. One more breath together, inhale. And then wrapping, exhale, a little more twist.
Support reach.
Release to center. We'll take the other arm on top. Crooked for me. Okay, got it. Inhale again, lift. And exhale, C curve back and down, rounding that spine. Inhale. Inhale, rise. And then out breath, we round. Sink back into yourself. Inhale for the lift. We'll go one more. Pull those forearms towards us. And then exhale, sink back.
How good does that feel?
It's yummy, right? And then we'll take the other side. Easy through that upper body. Lift up and wrap back. Connect back for your breath. Inhale. Exhale. Twisting. Inhale, lifting.
Support reach.
And wrapping. We'll do one more breath together. Inhale, rise. And release. And we'll come back to center.
That was amazing.
It doesn't take much, right?
It felt so
Just a
yummy.
little love for your spine.
Just like an apple sangria.
We hope you enjoy our spinal rotation and
Our 12 days of cocktails and core.
see you tomorrow. Cheers.
Cheers. Hello.